Okay. So now you know. You basically, and I'm guessing while the kids are playing with the water, okay, just like brushing on the paper with the water. Look, I'm experimenting in front of you. Let's throw a little bit of the sprinkle, right? Get some of that sprinkle. Get a little drop here. Is that not cool effects? Yeah, it has a little glitter, but whatever. And now just, I'm guessing if you just put more, they could just paint everything, and you can keep on adding sprinkles of this color, sprinkles of that color, and then their whole page, you know, is watercolor. I love my kids to just play with colors and express themselves and have fun and all the senses. Okay? Simple. Clear glue. Make your glitter. Okay? Glitter glue with Kool-Aid. And it smells so good. Smells really good. And then, just for watercolor, Kool-Aid and water. How cool is that? Alright, guys. Thanks for hearing me and listening and leaving me a really nice thumbs up for me on my last one. And this is my second video. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hey guys, say bye.
Bye.
Cool.